Hello and welcome to the Technicforce tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to upload files in PeopleBots and how to use them. First, click on Experts in the left sidebar. We've already created some experts for you. Next, click on File. Here, you'll see all the files, and you can also add new files to help the AI provide more accurate responses. There are 4 ways to add a file. 1. Add text. 2. Add a URL. 3. Upload a file. 4. Add a YouTube link. Let's go through each method one by one. First, add text. In the Add Text section, enter a label for the file to identify it later. Then, input your content and save the settings. You can edit it by clicking the I button. Add some text and save it. And you can delete it by using the red button. Click to OK button. Second, add a URL. To get content from a website, click on the URL. Add a label, enter the website URL, and click the Save button. The system will automatically fetch the content. Third, upload a file. We support DOC, PDF, HTML, and TXT formats to upload a file. Enter a label for the file and upload your document and save it. Fourth, add a YouTube link. To extract text from a YouTube video, click on YouTube. Enter a label and paste your YouTube video URL. Save it. The data fetching from YouTube. That's how you can add files to your expert. The expert can then use these files to generate content and provide answers. Now we will check all these files in the chat. Type the label of any uploaded file. Yes, we are getting the answer to the question. Thanks for watching.